Yo, what's up guys? JR Sports Cards coming at you with a pack and box break. So I have 2 packs of Optic and one of these $5 boxes, but as you see, has a hit in it from the side, so it's a hot pack. So we'll break into these 2 Optic packs first, and then we'll get into the hot box. Pretty excited about these Optic. I've watched so many videos, yet I've never bought a pack, so here we go. These are so nice in person. Forte, Rawls, Von Bell Prism, and then the rookies, Kenneth Dixon. And pack number 2. Kirk Cousins, Matthew Stafford, Gary Barnidge Prism, and Alex Collins rated rookie. So nothing from those 2 packs really. A few base cards. Perfect. And then we'll get into the hot box. Might have to get some scissors to open this. Nope, got it. So it comes with 1 pack, and obviously I got the hot box. So there's a hit, and it comes with like 75 extra cards, and I'm just gonna stick in a 5,000 count box unless there's like a mellow rookie or something. Alright, don't want to look at the relic just yet. I'm going to save that for last. Let's take out the pack. These are a good price when you can see that there's a relic or a hit. So inaugural edition, Skybox. Pretty bad pack, but I don't care. Just gonna open the pack. Do nothing. Alright, let's see. I'll just look at the good ones, I guess. Glenn Davis, that's a cool one. Sorry for the background noise here, buddy. Alright, let's see. Put the hit to the back. Well, that's a nice one. Chuck Person. So unless you get a hit, I wouldn't buy these if I were you. Pretty crappy. Bogut. Alright, let's just get to the hit, because that's why you guys are here. Oh, looks like we got something from Clear Vision. Or maybe certified? I have no idea. Just put everything stacked up. Sorry for the noise, everybody. Here we go. It is from the Grizzlies. Oh, if it's Mike Conley. Oh, that's actually really sick. Zach Randolph, relic to 199. Thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry for the background noise, and peace out.